A couple years ago, I recorded a video of me shaving a beard that I had been growing for almost a year with a full-face Dovo straight razor. Today I want to share that experience with you, and if you want to purchase one for yourself, I'll have a link in the description. Now let's get
I'm
to
going
the
to take my
shave.
glasses off now, which is kind of scary if you're thinking about doing a straight razor shave and taking off your glasses. But fortunately, I'm farsighted, so I can still see very clearly if I take my glasses off. I just find the glasses really get in the way, especially the sideburn area there. So, maybe I'll put them on again once I get closer to my neck, because the jugular is not something you want to slice open. So they say for a straight razor, you want to do about a 30-degree angle. I see a lot of guys doing 90-degree angles and just pulling down like this, and I would hate to see them doing a neck trim up with a 90-degree angle. I mean, it doesn't take very much to just do a slice like that and your life's over. But so anyways, if anyone tells you to use a 90-degree angle, don't listen to them. You want to use somewhere between like a 20 and a 30-degree angle, and you want to kind of pull the skin up as you're going down and pulling down to make sure that you just get a closer shave and your skin doesn't get as irritated. So here we go. Oh my god. I haven't seen my face in so long. Okay, let's get some more here. I am also ambidextrous, so I could just go to the other hand and continue, which is kind of cool. Watch me cut my face after saying that. I guess this is what I would look like with a massive goatee. Just, wow. So this is the part I don't like. I'm not very good at shaving the chin part. If only you guys saw this sink right now. Oh. Now at this point I'm just going to lather on a little bit more shaving cream because I just don't want my sensitive skin to burn after this. Now I'm going to put all the products that I'm using today into the description, so if you're interested in having kind of a shaving set like I have, then you can go ahead and purchase those on Amazon. Alright, so the mustache, this one's tricky for me. I have a very thick mustache, so it always takes a couple extra whacks. And quite honestly, I don't think I've ever not cut myself from getting the mustache. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit here because this mustache thing is just not working for me and I don't want to cut myself up. So I'm just gonna very quickly get this with my Brio. Okay. And with that, the soul patch is gone. They say with a straight razor shave, if you're not making funny faces, you're not doing it right. So I'm going to stop the video at this point because at this point it's just going to be, I'll come back to you guys, but I'm just going to clean up a little bit. I mean, it's going to take a lot of time for me to just do a couple more passes and just make sure that I'm happy with the full shave. And then I'll get back to you and we'll talk a little bit more. Okay, and we're back. And yeah, I did end up cutting myself during the mustache part. So you can see I'm bleeding a little bit. So this is probably going to hurt. We're going to put on some aftershave. I did nick myself a couple times on the side here too, but it's not bleeding, so that's good. This is my favorite aftershave. It's Beardsmen Cooling Aftershave Lotion. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. You guys can get that over at the Beardsmen website. I'm going to toss some of that on here. And let's see if I cut myself in a bunch of places. Looks like I did not. Good. It's not hurting. I'm not about to do the Home Alone scream. This is good. This is good. So now that that's done, usually what I do is I just put some blade oil onto my straight razor and I pack it away along with everything else that I took out today. If you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and of course comment. Really, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video and I would love to interact with you guys. So please, if you have any questions or you want to chat about something, toss in the comments below.
Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.